Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to completely reset your Chamberlain garage door opener. First, let's completely reset the opener and clear its memory. Locate the Learn button on the garage door opener unit. Press and hold the Learn button until the small LED indicator light next to it turns off. This usually takes about 6 seconds. Once the light turns off, all previously programmed remotes, wireless keypads, and my Q connections have been erased from the opener's memory. To verify the reset, test one of your old remotes and make sure the garage door does not respond. Next, let's reprogram your remote control. Press and release the Learn button. The indicator light will remain on for about 30 seconds. Within that time, press and hold the button on the remote that you want to program. When the opener lights flash or you hear 2 clicks, release the remote button. Your remote is now paired with the opener. Now let's reset the door travel limits. Press and hold the adjustment button until the up arrow begins flashing. Press and hold the up arrow until the door reaches the desired open position. Press and release the adjustment button. The down arrow will begin flashing. Press and hold the down arrow until the door reaches the fully closed position. Press and release the adjustment button again to save the setting. Finally, run the garage door through a complete open and close cycle to lock in the new travel limits. Thanks for watching.